Did you hear the phrase, April distance brings May existence? It's a play off of the popular springtime saying of April showers bring May flowers. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace Joy, and in this video, I just have random footage from the DJI Mavic Mini drone between April and May. Since the months of April and May, most of us in the world have stayed safer at home. So I was able to practice flying several times. So since there was nowhere to really go to, we had time to continue working on the yard, and thankfully our roses have given us another amazing show of their yellow, red, and pink blooms this springtime. We did plant some new purple lavender Floribunda Rose called Angel Face, adding to our variety of roses, and we planted them in the backyard. We also made a video of how to plant roses using the 7 2-gallon pots of this type of rose that we got from Lowe's Home Improvement. So we can't wait to show you when those are in full bloom. And please make sure you check out that how to plant roses video, which I will link in the description box below. Now I'm just gonna let you enjoy a little more drone footage, and please remember that I'm still very much a newbie with drone flying, so if you're a seasoned pilot, feel free to give me some tips and ideas. So I've definitely been a little braver when it comes to flying lower and closer to objects like trees to show and add interest to the shot like this one. And here I was trying to fly using the bird's eye view of the roses on the front and side of the house. But what I learned is that when I get closer to the roses, the shot gets blurry, as you can see here. I've had difficulty in the past also with shooting like these red knockout roses because the colors are really hard to capture more clearly for some reason. I get way better footage when I just sort of hover and fly very slowly, looking down just like this shot with the light pink roses. Here I'm trying to do a kind of quote-unquote follow me mode, even though the DJI Mavic Mini doesn't really have that feature, so I'm doing this manually. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please click like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the bell so you can get notified when I upload the next video. Until next time, have courage and be kind.